Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you one of the most useful Microsoft Excel features that can save you a lot of time. Imagine you receive a list like this: John, 25, London, Mary, 31, Paris, David, 28, Sydney. Everything is in one column. How can we separate this information into name, age, and city? Let's see how we can split text using delimiters or the text to columns. What is a delimiter? What is a delimiter? A delimiter is simply a character that separates data. What are the common delimiters? Comma, space, tab, semicolon, pipe. As an example, you can see John, 25, London. So the comma separates each piece of information. Example data. Let's assume all the data is stored in column A in a single column. Our goal is to split it into 3 columns. As you can see, in column A, we can have data of John, Mary, and David. Now we are going to split them into 3 columns. Step-by-step demonstration. So 1. Select the cells containing the data. Then select Data tab. You go to Data. Then what? Text to columns. Text to columns. As number 4, you choose delimited. Now fix with delimited. After that, you put next. Since our data uses commas, click comma, only comma. You will immediately see the preview as well. Click next. Here you can see the destination. Again, you can change the destination. So we can put the location. Put here, right? Now it's done. We click finish. Now in the yellow part, you can see our result. Let's consider another example. Suppose the data looks like this. John, 5 mark, 25, 5 mark, London. So here, instead of choosing comma, simply choose other. You can put 5 mark here, just putting shift and backslash. So what will do the Excel next? Excel instantly splits the data correctly. Here you can see we can put the destination correctly. Then we will go finish. This is already done. Here the data comes to DEF columns. The same method works for semicolons, spaces, tabs, or any custom character. Common mistakes. Here are some mistakes beginners make. Mistake 1. Choosing the wrong delimiter. Mistake 2. Not selecting the entire data range. Mistake 3. Splitting data when there is already information in the destination columns. Excel will warn you before overwriting existing data. Real-world uses. This feature is widely used for cleaning imported data, separating first and last names, splitting CSV files, organizing customer information, preparing reports, data analysis. If you work with Excel regularly, you will use this feature very often. The summary we learned today. What is a delimiter? Common delimiter types. How to use text to columns. Practical examples. Common mistakes. Real-world applications. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll be uploading Microsoft Excel lessons every day to help you become more productive. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.